Guys, right now I'm currently located in Waipuna, Plan 1, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom ground floor configuration. This is priced at about $710,000. It includes an enclosed car garage and an open parking stall tandem right in the back. And this one is a market townhome property. So first thing that I noticed for this property is you do have a nice enclosed front yard. It does have a 3-foot vinyl fencing, but you do have all this space right in the front here, including on the left-hand side. Nice greenery space. You can come on in. Entering into the property, you're greeted with this open kitchen layout. You got the living room right here, 3-window panel over onto my right-hand side. This one has been configured with some shiplaps onto the wall, but just a friendly reminder, that's not gonna be included within the property. A beautiful kitchen, open kitchen layout here with a nice island. And you got your soft close cabinets, deep mount sink, nice fixtures, and all of these appliances that you're looking at right now is included with the price point of $710,000. Dishwasher, stove, microwave, and then you got your refrigerator here. And as I was mentioning in my previous videos, if you've never seen how Kaulu have set up this area, you got the microwave right here, and then it does include the exhaust fan, which exits out into the outer area of the property. But that's a little bit about this home. This property does have a nice walk-in pantry over into my right-hand side, which is excellent. You can go from the car garage here straight into the pantry over onto my right-hand side. But let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms. Here you got your first bedroom over onto my right-hand side here, and then you got more closet space on the left-hand side here. This one you got nice towel area, maybe more food or just overall storage. And then this is where this property actually shines. And this is what we call an ADA accessible bathroom. The doors are a lot wider, just in case, maybe an elderly have wheelchair. This is a type of home that's perfect for it. On the bottom side here, they don't even have like a ledge, which actually makes it a lot easier for you to enter in. And since it is ADA accessible, you are gonna have these bars. Now, I was told from the developer that you could actually include a glass if you really wanted to enclose this instead of like a shower curtain. It is a possible option with extra charge, of course. And then you got your cabinets, and everything just feels so much wider in this room. But over onto the end of the hallway, you got your primary bedroom, which is located right here. First of all, you are on the ground floor. And one of the things I like that Kaulu did was I love the fact that they put the windows a little bit higher. You are in a corner area, corner side of the building, but the fact that it's a little bit higher, so that way there's a little bit more privacy within the primary bedroom, that's definitely a nice, excellent touch. And then over onto this side, you got your walk-in closet. Over on my right-hand side, really spacious walk-in closet, by the way. And then you got your primary bathroom located right here. And it's kind of weird because normally step-in showers are in the primary bedroom. Not here in Kaulu. This one comes with a tub on the primary bedroom and then a step-in shower ADA accessible for the second bathroom of the property. So that's a little bit about this home. This is again priced at about $710,000. It is a ground floor unit. It's a 1-car garage, 1 open parking stall at about 1,100 square feet. And this is excellent for the elderly, people who want to downsize maybe a little bit and just have a easy layout configuration with a yard space on the front, car garage in the back. You got your kitchen, 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on Waipuna, this is Plan 1. Reach out to me, Christopher Tolentino.